Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of bitrate on the application of Authenticator. You will click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Authenticator, here. Authenticator, and you will enter. Then you can click on first step and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause you errors in your app. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us.